Hi, my name is Jackson Dunning, and today we're talking about cookies. Everybody loves cookies, right? Especially a warm homemade chocolate chip cookie you made with your own hands. Cookies are irresistible, but for many people, the cookie baking process can seem quite daunting. As an experienced cookie maker for over 18 years, I know a good cookie when I see one. When I was 5 years old, I learned a simple to make cookie recipe from the best baker around, my grandma. Today, I'll be taking you through the 3 steps in the cookie making process: gathering your ingredients and supplies, making your dough, and baking your cookies. Let's start with step 1. For your ingredients, you'll need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 sticks of room temperature butter, 2 eggs, and 12 ounces of your favorite chocolate chips. For your supplies, you'll need a mixing bowl, a baking sheet, measuring spoon and measuring cup, a stirring spoon, and some spray oil. Once you have everything you need, it's time to move on to step 2, making the dough. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, take all your dry ingredients, add it to the bowl, and mix them evenly. Finally, take your sticks of butter and eggs, add them to the mixture, and stir until the dough is made. Once your dough is prepared, it's time to move on to the last step, baking your cookies. To start, take your cooking sheet and grease it with the spray oil. Next, take a palm-sized chunk of the dough, roll it into a ball between your hands, and place them approximately 1 inch from each other in a linear fashion across the pan. Once the pan is full, place it into the oven and bake for 15 minutes. Sit back and relax and wait for your cookies to bake. It's that simple. Today, we went through the 3 steps in the cookie making process: gathering your ingredients and supplies, making your dough, and baking your cookies. Don't be afraid to try and make a batch at home, and if you want to get creative, you can even add some of your own favorite ingredients. Always remember, any cookie is a good cookie, but a cookie you make with your own hands always tastes a little better.